TikTok has been around since 2016, but this mini super tool has been with me since 2008. At that time, there were no online shops yet, so this was a good find back then. My daughter Jamie did a very good job at finding this tool and presented this as her birthday gift for me. This is Swiss Tech Utili-Key, a 6-in-1 multi-tool. The tools are Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, flat screwdriver, micro-size screwdriver, serrated knife blade, and straight knife blade. As a demonstration of the performance of its screwdriver, here is my metronome, and I will take apart its clip. There, and screw it back. It's nice. And the performance of its bottle opener. Good. And for the performance of the flat screw, here's a cookingware cover. I will loosen the connection between the handle and the glass. And now it's loose. And I will tighten it back. Good. And for the demonstration of the performance of its micro-size screwdriver, here's a cassette tape. I will loosen one of its screws. It's becoming loose. It's now really loose. There, nice job. And I will screw it back. It's done. Now let's test the sharpness of its serrated knife blade. Here is a thick rubber tube. It's working. It is now this deep, almost halfway. It passed. Good job. And for the straight knife blade, easy. And testing it on a thicker material, well done. Utili-Key is compact, small in size, just 7 centimeters long, and it's lightweight, just 14 grams. It is convenient to bring. I keep it in my wallet. It's been with me all these years. If it's not in my wallet, it's together with my keys. It locks easily and securely onto a key ring and discreetly blends into the rest of the keys. This is a must-have for everyone.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.